Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Nissan Juke back door. Start by standing behind the vehicle and locating the exterior handle above the license plate area. If it's locked, use your key fob or fold the rear seats down first. For power models, press the trunk release button on the key fob or inside the cabin. If the latch is stuck, gently press the center of the handle while lifting to release. Begin by placing one hand under the handle and the other on the door edge to support weight. Pull the handle up and lift the door in a smooth motion, keeping your back straight. If the latch feels stiff, apply light alternating pressure on the handle while pulling to free it. Avoid sudden jerks and check for debris in the latch area if opening remains difficult after a few careful attempts. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more practical car guides. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle fits cup holders and keeps a handy sip while loading the Juke, which is perfect during road trips or quick errands. I find it saves fumbling with bottles when hands are full of groceries. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. For power latches, press the trunk button on your key fob and step back to allow the door to swing open. If that fails, try the interior release switch located near the driver's seat. In case of complete power loss, use the manual override inside the cargo area or consult the owner manual for the fuse location. Always support the door as it opens to prevent it from falling and causing damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.